Ilu maka uriọma ọkụkọ. A proverb about a chick. Ndewo, this video we're going to talk about Ilu maka uriọma ọkụkọ, a proverb about a chick. But before we start, we're going to go through 5 main words that we will encounter in this proverb. And these words are uriọma ọkụkọ, chick. Sometimes you could hear nwuriom. So nwuriom means the same thing, chick. Uriọma ọkụkọ. Dabanye is to fall into something. Dabanye, fall into. Olulu, olulu, hole. Nkwokwo, 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 stress. Nsogbu, nsogbu, trouble or problem. Now for the proverb. Uriọma ọkụkọ dabanye n'olulu, nkwukwu eju ya ahụ. Uriọma ọkụkọ dabanye n'olulu, nkwukwu eju ya ahụ. Nkwukwu eju ya ahụ literally means that there was nkwukwu all over its body, but the sense of it, it's a figure of speech. When in Igbo land, when somebody says something juru ahụ, it means I'm overwhelmed with something. But the literal meaning, iju ahụ, is to cover the whole body. So, uriọma ọkụkọ dabanye n'olulu, nkwukwu eju ya ahụ. When the chick falls into a hole, they are overwhelmed by stress. So as you can imagine, it will be struggling to come out, and it can't fly. It's not strong enough to bring itself out. So that's the whole basis around this proverb. Uriọma ọkụkọ dabanye n'olulu, nkwukwu eju ya ahụ. But an explanation for this proverb is onye nọ na nsogbu anaghị ezu ike. Onye nọ na nsogbu anaghị ezu ike. Those or that person undergoing difficulties or problems don't have any rest. So they are not at peace. They'll keep struggling until they get themselves out of that difficulty. So I think you can now relate the proverb of the chick falling into a hole and not being able to get themselves out, being overwhelmed with stress. And then this explanation, or it being used for when someone is in a lot of difficulty or problems or stress and not, relaxing until they do something about it. So that's it about this proverb. The words we've learnt again is uriọma ọkụkọ, uriọma ọkụkọ, chick. Dabanye, dabanye, fall into. Olulu, 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 hole. Nkwokwo, nkwokwo, stress. Nsogbu, nsogbu, trouble or problem. So sometimes you could hear someone say, "Enyena m nsogbu." Don't stress me out. Don't give me trouble. Or onye a na-enye nsogbu. This person is a troublemaker. Onye a bụ onye nsogbu. This person is a troublemaker. So for that proverb again, uriom ọkụkọ dabanye n'olulu, nkwụkwụ eju ya ahụ. Uriom ọkụkọ dabanye n'olulu, nkwụkwụ eju ya ahụ. So as we talked about earlier on, an explanation for this proverb is when someone gets into a lot of trouble or they're in difficulty, there's really no rest for them until they get themselves out of that trouble. Uriom ọkụkọ dabanye n'olulu, nkwụkwụ eju ya ahụ. That's it for now. Ka o mesịa.